That's for you, Jason. That's for your birthday. From Toi.
What is it?
Okay, ready? No, go. I cut it for you, but I didn't open it.
Okay. Can I open it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't know it was wrapped at all. I would have opened it.
I'll open this with you. What is it? What is it? Okay.
Oh my God.
It's mine. It's mine.
I almost bought that yesterday, but something told me not to.
Yeah. Who did?
Toi.
And he bought it.
I can't even believe it.